Ang gulo nyo! Ang gulo nyo! Ang gulo nyo! There you go, guys. That's my vlog for the day. Greetings from Las Casas, Pilipinas. The Acusar in... Ang gulo nyo! Isa pa. Take two. Take two. Nag-chismisan po kasi sila. Nag-chismisan sila, naririnig yung chismis. Okay, isa pa. Ayun po sila, mga Marites. This is our second day here. That's our room. That's Jerry and Eileen's room. That's my brother's room, Randy's, and the family. And look here. This is our lobby. So yan. Yan po ang aming sa pangmayaman. Tara. Doon tayo. Yeah, I have the Tusi kayo. Oh, hi tayo na ulit. So we're going to get breakfast. It's free. Ayun po sila doon tatawanan, sila ate. Imagine lahat ng room ginawa ng ganyan. Ay, ano din? Kahoy din. Akala ko ano.
Hindi mo na siya kahoy. Parang goma.
Kahit na, mahirap pa rin. Ang ganda ng weather. Okay. Really nice. Look at this. Second day at Las Casas, Pilipinas. Ang ganda na araw. Ganda ni ate from Japan. Miss Bolivia. Oh, ito yung mga binibenta nila. See? Mami, bili na. We're having breakfast here at Binondo Hall. This is our second day. So let's check the breakfast.
Gandang umaga!
Good morning! Yan na po sila. Ito po mga timawa. Ate, tsaka natela niya. Sorry, walang natela. Adobo. Tingnan natin kung sinong masasarap na adobo.
Sige.
They're serving traditional Filipino breakfast. Longganisa, tocino, adobo, dried fish, tuyo. They have pastries here. They have Filipino sweets. Puto kuchinta, I think. Maha blanca. Bibingka. Kain na po. Tara na. Thank you. Bye-bye. We're ready to leave Las Casas. We're all packed. We're waiting for the jeep. Hinintay lang po namin. The weather is gorgeous. It's blue sky. Time for checkout.
Sa restaurant po, sasabihin niyo visit.
That's it, guys. That's my vlog for the day. Greetings from Las Casas, Pilipinas, the Acusar here in Bagak, Bataan. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and always be kind to one another. Bye.